Okay, let's take a look at this. You got some fabric texture there. Um, I mean, I see you've got sort of the seam in the actual um, UV map, but it's nice to put in seams that show kind of the construction of how the fabric was put together. Um, Otherwise, it kind of has that look of like a tube sock or something. Um, this looks weird because you have a transparency map here. I'm just going to delete history, Alt-Shift-D, and then take a look at this material and just break connection on that transparency, and now that doesn't look like that anymore. Um, yeah, it looks like you've got some color variation going on in the skin, some lips and stuff, so that's good. Maybe you could do a little bit more around the eyes just to make them stand out more. I can see you've got in the eyeballs, you've got some detail on there. And the hair's got some good detail going on as well. The eyebrows look a little funny, I think, because is that just using the same as the hair? Um, yeah, the only issue with that is the repeat. And so what I might do is, um, I mean, it's so dark, it's kind of hard to see anyways, but let's look at this, and I'll take this and say edit, duplicate shading network, and then I'll assign this to the eyebrows, this number 19, the one the new duplicate of it, and then I can have a separate 2D texture placement node um, here, and maybe, you know, I could even have less than one. I could do like zero 0.5 by zero 0.5 or something, um, which I think will work better for eyebrows. And you could even try like rotating it and seeing if it looks better at a different angle. I don't know. It's all about the same. But I think that'll look better than if you have the high repeat level that the hair on the head has. Um, what else? Yeah, I like the shorts. You know, I really like the wrinkles that are painted in. I think that, especially from like a distance, that works really well. That stuff you got going on there, that's really good. I might maybe change the hue a little bit because just because it's the tone, the color, the hue of the pants is pretty close to his skin tone, so there's a way that it kind of blends in a bit. So you could play with that. And I like the shoes. I like that you put some dirt on them. I think it'd be nice to paint in some laces on there as well, unless you specifically wanted it to not have laces for as a design choice. Um, yeah, I see you've kind of got some stitch thing going on here, although the guess you can get it. I mean, we're not going to get that close to the shoes probably, so from this kind of distance, that's fine. To me, you know, visually, the only thing that's missing is the laces. But yeah, I think this looks really good. You know, a few areas to improve on, but overall, good work. Maybe, whoops, maybe some fingernails would be good. Yeah, painting in some fingernails would be a good idea. But yeah, good job.